Uyazi guys, kunabantu abangaphili emoyeni, abangaphili to a level that ubone ukuthi lo muntu lo uthunywe usathane eqobo lakhe, uma kwayena engengosathane lo obhizi onqunqa iy'ngane zethu. Uyizwe inkulumo ukuthi ifike kumniniyo, le nkulumo lo oyikhulumile, le nto oyithintayo, ifike straight kumnikazi wayo because it I don't even know what's the word to use ukuthi ungabona a title of indaba engiyenzayo la on YouTube, ungene kwi-channel, uyibuke indaba yonke ize iphele. Uyibukela ukuthi ekugcineni uzobe usuyangithuka ungisho ngaphansi kweziketi zikama, ungibize ngo-B word, ungibize ngo-S word, ungibize nga-whatever gama olaziyo neliyinhlamba eliphuma kalula emlomeni wakho ngoba wena awufundisekile vele futhi uyisikhohlakali nje ekuyisona esihambe siphuma singene sithunywe yilama-Nigerian ukuthi nidayisele iy'ngane zethu iwunga, ukuthi nibambe iy'ngane zethu nihambe niy'khipha niy'faka kulama-club alama-Nigerian. Nenze yonke le mikhuba le abanithuma yona ukuthi bayenze and then bese beninikeza u-R3,000 nibone ukuthi impilo yomuntu is worth R3,000. There's a guy here on the comment section who posted. Uyambona ukuthi uyibuke wayibukisisa and ngiyakhumbula zonke izitori azibukile, ubuke lezi zitori lezi where I am talking about inkohlakalo yama-Nigerians. Azothi uqamba amanga wena sintontontoni, ungibiza ngesifebe, awungazi nokungazi, angikwazi awungazi. Yini uma ngabe ungena ku-YouTube ubuka into engakuchazi noma oyibone ngazukuthi ayilona iqiniso kuwe noma iyakudina noma why ungaphumi uhambe uyobuka le eyiqiniso kuwe noma uyobuka le ekuchazayo-ke wena ngoba le eyami ongene wayibuka waze wakhomenta. Ikhomenti yakhona yinde, ubhale wabhala waze wa-edit. Uyambona ukuthi he was fuming as he's writing, he was fuming. Engikwaziyo ukuthi iqiniso vele alehli kahle. Iqiniso alehli kahle and I'm not gonna stop talking about izinto ezimbi ezenziwa ama-Nigerians in this country. Noma ngabe uyi-beneficiary-ke, noma ngabe unama-shares, noma ngabe-ke nawe waba neyakho indlu la okhanda khona le nyawophe emosha izingane. Ngikhuluma kuyimanje ngigqekezelwe abafana abadla yona le rubbish ethengiswa yilabantu. They took everything in my house while I was away. Destroyed to the core. And I'm not gonna stop. If I receive stories from my DMs that are saying Nigerian person did this, Nigerian, I'm not gonna stop. Angidecileli igama lamuntu phansi, ngikhuluma izinto engizibhalelwe kuma-DMs nengiziceliwe ukuthi ngizibhale. Ayikho into engiyibhalayo engiyisusa ekhanda lami. Ayikho into engiyixoxayo la on this channel engiyisusa ekhanda lami. Into engiyikhulumayo into engiyibhalelwe. And it's only ingane ena-1 kuphela-ke futhi engaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani eSouth Africa. Yini efike yamoshwa yilabantu? Bola kuna abafike bakwenza bashintsha iy'mpilo zabantu. Kuyimanje nje hlala ubuke because there is another story and I remember ukuthi this story did not get much of attention because mangisenza ngasenza nomnikazi waso kodwa waye over the phone, wayengifonele and then mina ngangise-studio, so i-algorithm yaba confused ukuthi kwenzakalani because wayengafuni ukuthi avezwe. Sasim-protect-a kahle kahle ukuthi so sasingeke siveze ubuso bakhe, so safaka nje isithombe esimnyama. I'm going to link down below isitori leso, ngicabanga ukuthi siyama-4 parts leso story leso. Asizange sithole much views because i-algorithm yacabanga ukuthi kuyenzeka uma uphosta into ekanjalo i-algorithm and it will just read it as if it's something e-create-we yi-AI because ayinabo abantu aba-natural abaphilayo, or icabanga ukuthi it's a robot, and then when it does that it will automatically just remove it from the system. I am encouraging you ukuthi uhambe uyosibuka i-part engizoyenza yale story manje ile part ngoba lo mntana lo, when I was doing that story with her, another thing angikubeke lokuthi why under witness protection. That's another reason kwakumele simfihle. Apart from that, umuntu uma ecelile ukuthi uyafuna ukusenza i-story kodwa akangavezwa, so we do that. Hence, I've decided now ukuzenza izitori mina myself, ngithi abangi-D_M instead of ukuthi umuntu sikhulume naye on WhatsApp, because u-YouTube uyi-pick up-a leyo yinto leyo, leso sithombe esikanjalo esimnyama, umuntu uma emboziwe as something else. I don't know ukuthi uvele abuke acabangeni, mhlampe ubone ukuthi ngathi i-robot, or abone ukuthi engazukuthi into angazi ukuthi i-algorithm iyayenzani, but i-algorithm inekhanda layo-ke, icabanga ngendlela yayo. Ngicela ubuke, ngoba ngithi ngisenze lesi sitori ngoba ngifuna ukubone inkohlakalo eyenziwa yila bantu la e-South Africa.